Windows 11 was unveiled at Microsoft's big event on June 24, with many features justifying the jump in numbering from 10 to 11. Showcasing the fluent design language and more, the new upgrade can also be tried out on the Insider channels, ready to download and use on machines that meet the minimum requirements. There is also a huge redesign of the Microsoft Store, allowing Android apps from the Amazon App Store to be used, so you can download TikTok and other apps if you wish. .132 on the developer channel, so if you want to give it a try, we have a handy guide all about how to download Windows 11. The build is now widely available on the beta channel, showcasing more refinements across the board, including the Microsoft Store. Before you do though, the best point of call would be to make sure that your PC is enrolled for Microsoft's Insider program first, as long as it meets the requirements. But do be aware, we advise to only run it on a PC that's not your main machine, as there are plenty of small issues for now. There's been a lot of discussion as to which devices are eligible for Windows 11. Regardless of the TPN requirement, others are simply wondering if they need to look to upgrade their PC or laptop soon. For now, Microsoft have published the requirements for the update, but they are subject to change as we near release and the company take feedback on board. Processor, 1 GHz, GHz, or faster with at least 2 cores on a compatible 64-bit processor or SoC RAM. 4 GB storage, 64 GB system firmware, UEFI, secure boot capable TPM, trusted platform module 2.0 graphics card, DirectX 12 or later with WDDM 2.0 driver display, 720p, 8-bit per color channel, at least 9-inch diagonal internet connection and Microsoft account. Windows 11 Home requires an active internet connection and a Microsoft account to complete initial, first-use setup of the operating system, or when switching a device out of Windows 11 Home in S mode. There are improvements across the board in Windows 11, with Microsoft promising that updates will be 40% smaller, and touting Windows 11 as the most secure release yet. The taskbar is optimized for touch as well as mouse peripherals, and is now renamed the dock. New multitasking features are also on offer thanks to a feature called Snap Layouts, which enables you to arrange multiple windows across the screen, not just side by side, but in columns, sections and more. There's now a much improved health check app found in Settings, where Windows 11 will recommend you to turn down the brightness for example, change the power saving mode of the battery and much more. Fluent design is the new name for the look of Windows 11. Across the board everything looks more modern and fresh, with rounded windows and apps such as Snipping Tool seeing huge improvements in years. One of the biggest changes users will notice is that the Start menu has been moved to the center of the screen, and it's now cloud-powered, so it dynamically changes depending on the time of day, and the content you're working with. Advertisement: if you're using the Insider build, There's already ways of customizing the taskbar in the Start menu, including moving the icons back to the left. Light mode and dark mode are here too, with a unified design across the operating system, with colorful wallpapers to choose from as well. Gaming will be a much bigger focus in Windows 11, with a sluggish and frustrating to use Windows 10 Xbox app replaced by a new Game Pass app that enables you to buy, manage and remove games, making it easier for you to access and download games, from Doom Eternal to, soon, Halo Infinite. HDR will also be supported on compatible machines, offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Direct storage is also here, with the main game assets able to be downloaded and installed, enabling you to play your games even faster than before. Tablet mode has been one of Windows' weaker points ever since Windows 8, and the new tablet features that Microsoft showed off for Windows 11 could be key to the operating system's fortunes, especially with future Surface products in the pipeline from Microsoft. To have a new, numbered operating system for its upcoming tablets could be a big selling point for new users. At the event, Microsoft touted bigger touch targets and easier ways to move windows around, and better rotate optimizations, for example in how windows are rearranged, so you don't lose track of the applications you are using. Advertisement gestures used with the trackpad of the Surface models are also coming to the touchscreen, bringing in some familiarity here. Haptics is also coming to Windows 11 when you use a stylus for better feedback when drawing or sketching. The touch keyboard has also been redesigned, with a smaller keyboard just for your thumb, and emojis ready to be used. Microsoft says dictation will also be improved, alongside voice commands, with delete that options and more.